Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Hannah and today I will be showing you 40 plus easy title ideas for your bullet journal. This is definitely a great resource for you guys to refer back to. I hope you guys enjoy. The first title is In Between Two Highlighted Streaks. For this one, I write the title in caps with a highlighter or a marker first, and then I draw the title in cursive over it. It is one of my favorites. Start writing the title on the highlighted portion and then add the title around it. This looks like a macaron and you could leave it as that, or you can add details after and make it look like the title is in the middle of a sun, like I'm doing so right here. Another title idea is the basic block letters, but to enhance it a little bit more, you can also make them 3D-like, as I'm doing right here. And then afterwards, this can be applied to bubble letters as another title idea. Here I am attempting to do calligraphy with a tombow, and afterwards I use a pen to outline particular parts of the word. In this case, I outline the right side of the letters and the bottom end of each letter, if that makes sense. This one's an easy one, title in cursive and 3 hearts on each side. This next title is supposed to resemble a bee trail, where the title is written in a dotted cursive with a little bee at the end. These are hanging hearts where each letter of the title could be written in, perfect for a Valentine's Day theme. Here is a banner style title that can also be drawn in a triangle shape. You can simply draw a circle for each letter of your title in pen, or you can also color in the circle first with a marker and then write in the letters after. So this title kind of resembles tape pieces of paper, or if you draw a line behind each one, it could be hanging pieces of paper. This one is a string of hearts as the title. This one's very basic, just a title in marker and then dots in between each letter. This is a title in the middle of an arrow. Here is a title with circles once again, but just not all in a row. This title is on a tape piece of paper. A title in a speech bubble. A title in a thought bubble, a title on a spiral notepad. I just draw the rectangle first and then little circles and then the rings for the spiral. Here are some more rectangle style titles that kind of pop out of the page. This first one is with the marker and the second one is all drawn in with pen. Looks like 2 sheets of paper. This one has tape on each corner. Each letter is in a box for this title, but you can also transform it into cubes. A title in square brackets. Here I'm drawing a banner for my title. For this, I write the title in cursive, and then I go in with a black pen and outline each letter until I make a little bubble like this. Draw a circle a couple times over and write in a title in the center. I do the same thing again, but this time I add in leaves to make it look a lot nicer. This next title is on a turning page. I draw brackets around the title and then leaves on each one. So I do the same thing as the last one except for the top and the bottom and not the sides. I draw an oval and write in the title, and then I add in the leaves again, all around it. This title is a hanging sign. I draw a movie ticket or a ticket of some sort and just write the title in. I draw a mini flag and write in the title. The next two are variations of a film strip. This one is the smaller version, and the second one is a lot larger. This one I'm just drawing a rectangle and adding in the leaves again, but only on some parts of the box. Doing some faux calligraphy for this title. Attempting to do some calligraphy, and this time we're going to be outlining the entire thing in pen. Here's a simple one to catch a person's attention. This next one is a title on a clipboard. The second last title idea is a title on a shelf with a potted plant. The last idea is a title on a music sheet. Thank you so much for reaching the end of this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much to Min's World for requesting this video. Let me know what other videos you guys want me to make, and we'll see if I can make it happen. Have a wonderful day, guys!